The farmer's buffalo gives millions of liters of milk, but the farmer asks the buffalo to give mango juice instead. When the buffalo doesn't give juice, the farmer beats her and drives her away. The buffalo runs away and reaches the city. There, she sees a truck full of mangoes. She climbs onto the truck and starts eating the mangoes. Just then, the police stop the truck in the city and arrest the buffalo. Crying, the buffalo tells her story. The police feel pity and let her go. The buffalo eats lots of mangoes and starts crying again, and then nobody liked or subscribed.